Hey guys, and welcome to this new video about views. So for this lesson we will create the view function, and we try to implement this view in web.php and the control, and we will combine it between it. So we will create the view. We will go first. Let's start by creating the view function in the function.php. We will add another function. Here name will be view, and it will take two arguments: the name of the view and the data if we want to pass some data to our view. I don't have know what I have with writing letters today, but it's okay. So the view function takes two parameters: the name and the data. The name is a string that represents the name of the view file we want to load, and the data is an optional array that contains the data we want to pass to the array. So now let's write the code to load the view file. We will start by constructing the file name for the view file by concatenating. We'll do the file name, and we will start by concatenating the name parameter with the web.view file. So the path of the views is app/views/ the name, and we will add to know that it is a view, not just a PHP file. We'll add in the end.view.php, and when creating a new file, a new view, we will add view as extension. So now we will check if the view exists with if the file exists. We'll check if the file exists, and we pass the file name as parameter, and if it exists we will require the file name. And finally, if the view does not exist, we will be redirected to the 500 error, to internal server error. So we'll use the redirect function here. Else we make else or redirect. Let me see the path that I push in the router, and this one we will redirect to here to 500 error. Now let's test our function. First we will create a new view file. App/views/ okay, let's make this capital, and go to the views and create a new file. Let's call this.view or home.view.php, and inside we will go some HTML with home, and in h1 home page, and we will add a paragraph, Lawrence Sweeney. And now to use this view, we will go to the web.php, and here we can go to the controller in the index, and here we can, for example, make the view and tell him that we want the view home. I will comment this code, and if I do refresh, the view works just fine. So another use you can use is, if you don't want here, you can make it also in the function. So if you say hello, it also will work like that. But if I do to randomly, it will redirect to the 44 error page not found. So I hope guys that was understood, and if you have any questions or comment, leave it down below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.